There was a terrifying existence in the warehouse. Even a steel door hundreds of meters thick couldn't stop it. Seeing that the creature inside was about to break through, the government immediately dispatched a massive number of troops. Countless tanks lined up ready to defend the first line of defense to the death. Suddenly, the steel door weighing hundreds of tons was blasted into the sky. But what came out wasn't a monster. It was a cloud of black smoke. Seeing this, the officer quickly gave the order to fire. Instantly, hundreds of cannons launched together, slamming into the strange smoke. But instead of destroying it, the bombardment only made the black smoke more excited. It began to counterattack furiously, devouring everything in its path, including people and vehicles. What on earth was this terrifying black smoke? It all began 3 days earlier, when a massive glowing sphere appeared above the city. In full view of everyone, a steel giant hundreds of meters tall walked out. The military panicked and prepared to shoot, but with a single glance from the giant's eyes, all weapons were instantly paralyzed. Even the soldiers clutched their heads in agony. Strangely enough, after that the giant went dormant. To study its composition, the military moved it to a lab hundreds of meters underground. Seeing that no ray could penetrate its armor, they decided to use a diamond drill to extract a sample. Little did they know this would unleash a nightmare. From the drill bit A, nano worm invisible to the naked eye emerged. It rapidly multiplied and soon became an army of swarming locusts. Before the workers realized it, holes began to appear in their suits. Their oxygen tanks ruptured, killing them instantly. But it didn't stop there. Cracks spread across the reinforced glass. Terrified, the commander pressed the destruction button. Flames hotter than tens of thousands of degrees filled the entire room. Everything should have been reduced to ash, but when the fire cleared, the alien giant remained intact. It even waved mockingly at the people outside. Then it activated the human extinction plan. Its body disintegrated into countless nanoclusters, which merged into a massive black swarm. They burst through the lab walls, and that's how the first line of defense fell. The black smoke spread across the land. On a highway, a truck driver noticed cracks forming on his windshield. Before he could react, a torrent of locusts poured in. In seconds, the entire truck was devoured. Not even metal remained. As the nanoclusters multiplied exponentially, entire stadiums vanished within minutes. And soon the swarm marched toward the nearby city. The real apocalypse had just begun.